Hey, here are the puppies outside. There's the rainbow in the box. Oh. How many puppies can fit through that box? Oh, lots of puppies. We have all these toys out here and they play with cardboard. There's an empty sandwich bag box. Oh. Hello, puppy. Fight for the box has begun. Hey, don't bite his tail. That's not nice. There's Okemo playing with his ball on the other side of the fence. He's trying to get the puppies to run around after him. What are you doing, Okemo? Huh? What are those puppies doing? Go get them. What you doing over there, little girl? Got your box? Uh-oh. Oh, somebody's gonna take your box. Yeah, see these nice toys we have? They don't like these toys. We've got about 10 of these in the pen. They like the empty sandwich bag container. Hi, puppy. How are you? Oh, hi, puppy. No, you can't have my saucer. You cannot have it, that's mine. I know, you have your water over there. See what's happening in the box. Oh, stop biting legs. They're getting used to all sorts of outside noises here. There's Okemo. Where'd he go? You were chasing him. Where'd he go? He went the other way. There he is. Go get him. Go get Uncle Okemo. There he goes. How long are you going to miss this? Oh, it's done.